Bullish Kucoin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $32.36 and $70.48 by 2030. Market experts accept KCS could reach $32.36 by 2025. Bearish Kucoin market cost expectation for 2022 is $5.75. Kucoin presentation. The fifth biggest spot trade is Kucoin, which was laid out in 2017. In view of traffic, liquidity, exchanging volumes, and trust in the veracity of detailed amounts, Kucoin has prevailed with regards to situating itself as one of the top crypto trades. Kucoin professes to have north of 10 million clients overall and a normal exchanging volume of more than $1.6 billion as a feature of its motivation to empower the worldwide free progression of computerized resources. The market for digital currencies is extremely inconsistent. The task performed honorably in 2021. However, 2022 had demonstrated to be more troublesome. For an exact gauge of the cost of Kucoin, we should go through these issues and do a fast assessment of the coin. What is Kucoin? The local cash of the Kucoin trade is the Kucoin token. Financial backers can exchange in excess of 600 cryptographic forms of money on the trade, including Bitcoin, Ether, and TAI. Clients can use work area or versatile applications to utilize the Kucoin stage, which is open in excess of 200 nations. Various other venture choices, similar to Fate's exchanging, P2P exchanging, stop market requests, and cutoff orders, are open alongside exchanging cryptographic forms of money. The KCS token empowers clients to acquire extra advantages from the trade. As a benefit-sharing token, KCS proprietors who own more than 6 of them are paid day-to-day from Kucoin's everyday exchanging benefits. A big part of this cash goes to KCS holders. As per the site, the people who pay exchange charges on the trade get limits, contingent upon the amount KCS they own. Token holders can move up to Kucoin celebrity status and gain admittance to bring down creator and taker costs. Kucoin key investigation. The coin's worth took off following its presentation, from least normal cost of 45 cents in November 2017 to most extreme normal cost $20.44 in January 2018. Notwithstanding getting back to a typical exchanging cost of $2.28 in WAC 2018. KCS consequently expanded to $5.17 in April 2018. The KCS cost immediately dropped, coming to 47 cents in December 2018. Kucoin varied between least cost of 30 cents and most extreme cost of $2.01 all through 2019 and 2020. Anyway, it began to ascend in 2021 and arrived at a greatest worth of $18.56 in April 2021. After a short revision to a typical exchanging esteem off of $0.96 in May 2021, the coin again rose to a greatest cost of $14.12 in July 2021. With a bullish pattern close to the furthest limit of 2021, KCS arrived at an unequaled high typical cost of $28.80. With the crypto market swing, KCS tumbled to a base cost of $15.02 in January 2022, preceding rising again once exchange started in February. The token basically exchanged sideways between the base cost of $17.50 and most extreme cost of $20. In May 2022, Kucoin token value dropped to a base value worth of $9.34. Kucoin specialized investigation. The day-to-day diagram's specialized examination uncovers that after the Kucoin token cost expansion in April 2021, KCS digital money moved with whimsical unpredictability and dipped under $4 in May 2021. Following that, the cost of the Kucoin token gradually rose while exchanging sideways. In July 2021, Kucoin showed an immense bullish pattern, but keeping up with this momentum couldn't. The token started to ascend in September 2021, notwithstanding any slight abatements. From that point forward, a huge cost increment was seen in December 2021. The start of 2022 saw some little cost instability. In January, there was a minor cost decline. And from that point forward, the cost has been exchanging sideways. In the previous years, there have been significantly more new organizations and information exchanges, which has assisted with supporting the cost of the Kucoin coin. Since mid-2022, cost instability has been noted, as indicated by the Kucoin token's opposition and backing levels. The token went through a downfall in the wake of arriving at its most extreme price tag. Kucoin token cost gauge predicts a prompt opposition level of $21.18 during the ongoing exchanging meeting. To break the record cost level, the Kucoin token should pass the following hindrance, which is set at $23.56. The KCS coin will track down its underlying help in the event that the decay perseveres at a value level of $17.20, which it has tried 2 times in late exchanging meetings and bounced back from. On the off chance that it penetrates the degree of prompt help, The accompanying critical backings are set at $15.21 and $13.70, with the second being viewed as significant. Kucoin current cost. Kucoin is presently worth $7.19 USD. KCS has moved 1.61% as of now with an exchanging volume of $894,306. Kucoin is presently positioned 54 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $707,615,259 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Kucoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Kucoin Value Expectation 2022. Kucoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The KCS cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $10.79. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $10.07 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. KCS is supposed to have a base worth of $8.63. Kucoin Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Kucoin KCS cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of KCS will before long outperform $17.98. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the KCS's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, KCS will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14.38 and a typical exchanging cost of $15.82. Kucoin Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $25.17 and KCS might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. KCS is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $23.01 and a low of $21.58 in 2024. Kucoin Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Kucoin effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the KCS coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KCS will be green in 2025. The KCS is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $32.36, with a base cost of $28.77 and a typical cost of $30.21. Kucoin Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the KCS cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $37.40 by 2026, with a base cost of $35.96 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, KCS has a greatest value worth of $39.56. Kucoin Value Forecast 2027. Because representing